Hey guys, Chris White here with Kiko, and we got Dr. Klaus.
They are Dent International.
Yeah. How are you?
Another day in
yeah.
paradise.
Yeah, exactly.
Hot and warm like home in Florida.
Yeah, exactly. You're from where in Germany?
I'm originally from Minden, but for 20 years I live now in Florida.
Okay, nice. Okay, good. Well, we wanted to show all the collision guys out there your tool and how great it is for being able to make a dent appear to its full size, right?
That is
so,
correct.
Tell us about what you have here.
That just looks like nothing, but it's a very helpful tool to make money, avoid any discussion with car owners and the insurance adjuster, with the technicians. You can always show the right size, and that is important. It's always, if you just see with your blank eye a small dent, but the real impact may be much bigger, then you have a problem, because the adjuster has to come out, he doesn't believe you, and so on. So the discussion starts.
That's right. And so much is done with pictures these days, and the body shops that we talk to, they struggle with being able to take good enough pictures of the damage to be able to submit to the insurance company. And with Dr. Klaus's tool, it makes it a breeze to be able to get a good picture of the dent. So
that is foldable, it's easy to carry. You fold it, you flip it, and then you have the tool you need to show any dent. We have here a small dent, looks without the blank eyes, nothing much to see, but if you put the screen on, you see the real impact. So instead of a dime, is all of a sudden is a dollar, the silver dollar size, and then you have the corner there, so it makes another difficulty to fix. And here you see here also the small one here. And the impact is much bigger than you expect.